Excuse me, I want to ask where this is hospital.
Okay, from here to strike until you reach the intersection. Turn right, keep going. You enter side the hospital, and the right.
Right first. Thank you very much.
When you get to the hospital, look for the interaction room. It is on the second floor.
I thought it was on the first floor. Thank you.
You are welcome, ma'am. Hope it goes smoothly.
Thank you, Jen.
You are welcome.
Part 2. Infinitive. Next, definition of infinitive. What is an infinitive? Infinitive is the birth form of a verb preceded by to. Example, to run, to eat, to play. Next, function of infinitive. Number 1, as a subject. Example, to rain is important. Number 2, to express pure voice. Example, she studies hard to succeed. Number 3, as a direct object. Example, I want to travel. Number 4, as an adjective. Example, he has a book to read. Number 5, after content verb. Example, they decided to leave. Next, infinitive verses. What is an infinitive verses? An infinitive verses includes the infinitive and its modifiers or complement. Example, to win the championship is my goal. Next, common mistakes. Common mistakes with infinitive. Do not confuse infinitive with professional verses. Example, to the store, not an infinitive. Infinitive should not be conjuncted. Incorrect, to running, to runs. Correct, to run. Next, prestige exercise. Identify the infinitive. Number 1, he wants to play soccer. Which includes infinitive sentences is to play soccer. Number 2, she needs to finish her homework. Which includes infinitive sentences is to finish her homework. Number 3, they plan to travel next summer. Which includes infinitive sentences is to travel. Underline the infinitive verses. Number 1, to bake a cake takes time. Number 2, I hope to win friends. Next, conclusion. Understanding and using infinitive correctly enhance your English skill. Practice identifying and using them various contexts for improvement. Next, problem example. Number 1, choose the correct infinitive form to complete the sentence. She decided go to the market early in the morning. A. Going. B. To go. C. Go. D. Won't.